Hey guys, it's Devip. So today it's gonna be a normal vlog because I feel like vlogging because the climate is pretty much good, which makes me happy. Because when the climate is good, I feel like I should ride more. And actually, I checked the weather report. So look at this guy. He must be cruising like 100 without a helmet on a Ntorq or Activa or something like that. The climate is quite good. I checked the weather reports, everything. It says there's no rain, so I pretty much hate rain while riding because guys, my clothes are not waterproof. I don't have my mobile cover for rain mobile cover, so I'm wishing that it doesn't rain. So yeah, unfortunately it's raining. I have checked the weather report before starting. It said there's no raining at the evening, so that's why I have started. And this is why I have trust issues. So it's raining and I have to keep my mobile inside, and the glasses are spoiled because of the wet, and the mobile also got wet. Lots of traffic over here. I'm not even sure how long it's gonna take to reach home. Fucking 53 minutes. I'm not even sure where I'm going, so I'm just trusting Google Maps because it showed me a shortcut and that's how I'm going towards it. Boom! कैसे जाएगी यार गाड़ी? भाई भाई नहीं गिरना चलो 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 यार भाई भाई चलो what the fuck? यार भगवान ने मुझे बचा लिया. At one point I was very much scared because I was able to fall. That water was going into my exhaust and the radiator. तो अगर मैं नीचे गिर गया तो सोचो कि यार मेरा भी खत्म और गाड़ी भी खत्म हो जाती. But from today I'm not going to trust weather reports or Google Maps because I got fooled again. So thanks for watching guys. See ya, and never riding speed when it's raining. Oh, how I'm a crazy man. All we talk about is check.